Believe it or not, sometimes I can't think what I'm going to do an episode about. And bazinga, up pops the wife. She's got the Samsung S22 phone in her hand. She said, I saved a file, can't find it. I need to print it out. It's something to do with craft painting. I said, what would Steve say? Steve would say, Google it. So I did, and I found that video, and I'll share it here. So go to YouTube, and you can see the video. Here's that quick video I made with Samsung Flow, and then I recorded it on the Windows desktop. So you go to your Google collection, that's what I call it, and you don't have any room. So you got to go to the next one, and there it is. And you want to put My Files into there. So you just click on the plus sign like so, and that'll generate the list. And then you scroll down, down. And this is a big list. Google's got a lot of good apps. You want to check that list out and see which ones you need. Anyway, you get to My Files, you check the box. Okay? Say done, and bazinga, it's there in your folder on your phone. Now you can go in and look for files that you've saved, and that's where it's going to put them. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to add the My Files into your phone's Google selection. And if you've got questions, there's a way to contact me. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.